New York City, the epitome of ambition and resilience, has a skyline that tells the story of its history. Central to this story is the World Trade Center, a symbol of both triumph and tragedy. But how did these iconic towers come to be? Let's explore their remarkable evolution. In the 1960s, David Rockefeller dreamed of a World Trade Center that would cement New York's role as a global financial hub. Architect Minoru Yamasaki's design of two towering skyscrapers, each 110 stories high, was both groundbreaking and controversial. Construction began in 1966, and by 1973, the Twin Towers were complete, standing as the tallest buildings in the world and instantly becoming icons of the city. For nearly 3 decades, the World Trade Center was a symbol of New York's identity. Hosting thousands of businesses and attracting millions of tourists, the towers were much more than just office space. They were cultural landmarks. In 1993, a terrorist attack rocked the towers, but they stood strong, a testament to their design and the resilience of the city. September 11, 2001. A day that changed the world. Then came the day that changed everything. September 11, 2001. The Twin Towers, symbols of progress, were brought down in a horrific act of terror. Nearly 3,000 lives were lost, and the world would never be the same. But from the ashes, New York rose again, driven by the strength and unity of its people. The path to rebuilding, 2002 to 2014. Rebuilding the World Trade Center was about more than constructing new towers. It was about healing a city. Architect Daniel Libeskind's master plan gave birth to One World Trade Center, a symbol of resilience reaching 1,776 feet into the sky. The new tower was designed with advanced safety features, standing not just as a skyscraper, but as a beacon of hope. The World Trade Center today, 2014 to present. Today, the World Trade Center is a symbol of rebirth. With the towering One World Trade Center, the breathtaking Oculus, and the solemn 9/11 Memorial, it stands as a testament to New York's enduring spirit. The evolution of the World Trade Center is a story of resilience, a reminder that from tragedy, hope can emerge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more incredible stories.